Okay, number 3, little word problem. The width of a rectangular swimming pool is x plus 4. The area is 2x cubed minus 20x9 plus 12. What is the expression for the length? Well, we know that area equals length times the width. Well, they've given us the width, so we just have to figure out what the length is. And if the area is 2x cubed minus 29x plus 12 equals x plus 4 length times the width. Then to figure out what w is, we just divide both sides by x plus 4. So now we just have a long division problem again. I rewrite it because we have a missing unit space. We don't have an x squared, so I'll rewrite this as 2x cubed plus, hold on, my tablet's messing up here. Let me erase that. Two x cubed plus 0x squared, a placeholder, minus 29x plus 12, all of that divided by x plus 4. So first thing we look at is how many times does x go into 2x cubed, and that's, well, goes in 2x squared times 2x squared. So that's 2x cubed plus 8x squared. Again, all I've done is multiply this times this binomial and distribute it. Now I subtract, and I get negative 8x squared. Bring down my next term, minus 29x. And now I just see how many times does this x here go into negative x. Well, it goes in negative 8x times. That's negative 8x squared. And negative 8x times this 4 is minus 32x. Again, I subtract, and this negative 8x minus a negative, that's a positive, so that becomes 0. Negative 29x minus a negative 32x is a positive 3x. Bring down my last term, plus 12. So how many times does x go into 3x? Well, 3 times. Plus 3. Then, so that's 3x. And 3 times 4 over here is 12. And we subtract, and they, of course, become 0. So here's my answer right here. 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. 2x squared minus 8x plus 3, right there. Okay, now we're dividing this binomial by a monomial, so this is a little easier than some of the other ones. So when we're dividing, we can simply invert and multiply, or take this reciprocal right here, reciprocal of 2m to the third. Reciprocal of that is 1 over 2m to the third. Instead of dividing, now we can multiply 8m to the 7th minus 10m to the 5th times 1 over 2m to the third. And hopefully you recognize that we're going to multiply. This becomes 8m to the 7th over 2m to the third, because we're just simply multiplying numerators and denominators. Minus 10m to the 5th over 2m cubed. And again, my numerator here is 8m to the 7th minus 10m to the 5th, and my denominator is 2m cubed, because we inverted and multiplied. We multiplied instead of dividing. So when we do that, we take the reciprocal. So now we can just simplify. Now it just becomes 2 goes into 8 4 times. And here we're just subtracting our exponents, 7 minus 3, so that leaves me as 4m to the 4th minus, well, 2 goes into 10 5 times. And again, we're subtracting this 5 minus 3, so m squared. And that's it for that one. Okay, this one is similar to number 4, and that we have a trinomial here. We're going to divide by this monomial. So it's easier just to take the reciprocal of this and multiply. So we're going to multiply 1 over 2m cubed times each of these. So then we can just rewrite that as negative 6m to the 9th over 2m cubed minus 6m to the 8th over 2m cubed minus 16m to the 6th over 2m cubed. Because this right here was being multiplied by each of these, and it goes into the denominator. So now we can just simplify these, get different color. 2 goes into this one. Well, it's going to leave me with negative 3. M to the, well, 9 minus 3 is 6. Minus 2 goes into 6 3 times. M to the 8 minus 3 is the 5th power. Minus 2 goes into 16 8 times. M to the 6 minus 3, 3rd power. So there you have it.